Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I would love to talk to you just a little about how to organize your life using AI. We are fresh from the How To Summit, which is like the Super Bowl for professional organizers. And we talked a lot about utilizing AI not only in our own lives and our businesses, but also for our clients to be able to help them organize and understand these tools. One thing we talked a lot about is training your ChatGPT to learn more about you and what you prefer. So instead of spending all your time maybe creating your schedule for the week, organizing your life for the week, maybe you just throw a prompt in there and say, hey, here's what I've got going on. Can you analyze this? Can you create some organization to my life? And lo and behold, it can. So I want you guys to give that a try this week. If you haven't done like a nice life audit lately, let's get that organized and let's use some really useful and free tools that we have. So if you do it, let me know in the comments, and I would love to hear how it goes for you and how you used it. So we'll see you next week. Thanks so much.